Here we have the Nikai washing machine. To operate with it, make sure the wall switch is on. Then you can turn on and off on this button here. Then select the program you would like to choose by rotating this knob. This one, a quick 15 minutes, you can check the time here. For the mix, you will have 1 hour 30 minutes, 1000 of spin, and you can adjust the temperature on this button. You should load your detergent here. For the normal detergent, here for the pre-wash detergent, and here for the softener. Open the door, load your clothes, and close the door. Once it's ready, you can press the start or pause button.